Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain about the maths 2B circles. From this chapter we will get total 18 marks. Total 18 marks. So this is divided into two 7-mark questions and two 2-mark questions. Total 18 mark, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 2 18 marks. So total 18 marks we will get. So now I am going to explain about only about the 7 plus 7 14 marks. Okay, total total questions I am taking here 5 questions. From that 5 questions you will get maximum 14 marks because based on that questions you have to practice, then you will get 14 marks. Show that the points 1 comma 1 minus 6 comma 0 minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 8 are concyclic. These points are concyclic, and find the equation of the circle on which they lie. We have to find a circle equation. That circle should have these points. That means these points should lie on the given circle. That circle we have to find. So let I'm taking here. Concyclic is nothing but if these 4 points should lie on the circle. So let I'm taking this is A, this is B, C, D. Then we call these points are concyclic and this circle is we call concyclic circle. I think you got it. So here I'm taking first 1 comma 1 as I am taking as a point A, and this is I am taking point B, this is I am taking C, and finally it is about I am taking D. We know this point is on the circle and the second point is also on the circle, C is also on the circle and D is also on the circle. If point lie on the circle, we get when you substitute this point on the circle equation, we will get equals to 0. So let I'm taking general form of the circle equation is S equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation. So let I'm taking this is equation number 1. Equation number 1. We know this point lie on the circle. Then we can get A 1 comma 1 lie on S equals to 0. That means I am going to substitute in this equation. This point 1 comma 1 I am going to substitute here. What we get? 1 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c equals to 0. What we get? 1 plus 1 square is a 1 and this is also 1. 1 plus 1 we know that is 2 and this become 2g and this become 2f plus c equals 0. This is I am taking as equation number 2. And next I am taking here b minus 6 comma 0 is also lie on the s equal 0. Lie on s equal 0. Then we can get here we have to substitute again in this equation. We have to substitute this point. That means minus 6 whole square plus 0 square 2g of minus 6 2f of 0 plus c equals 0. 6 square we know that is 36. 0 square is a 0 only. This 2 times 6 equals to minus 12g and this becomes 0 and this is plus c equals to 0. This is I am taking third equation. Minus 2 comma 2 is also on the circle. So when I substitute in the same equation, we can get here minus 2 whole square plus 2 square, and here is plus 2g of minus 2 plus 2f of 2 plus c equals 0. We can get here, this is 4 plus 4, 2 times 2, and plus into minus minus, 2 times 2 4 plus c equals 0. This is equation. Wait, 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 4g plus 4f plus c equals 0. This is equation number 4. From second, third, fourth equations, I am going to find the first equation. After getting that equations, in that equation, if you substitute the D point, point D, if it gives the both sides equals, then the 4 points lie on the same circle. That means it is a concyclic. Okay, 2 minus 3 I am doing here. 2 minus 3. Equations 2 minus equation 3. So what is equation 2? Equation 2 in 2, and here from 3 constant I am taking minus 36, and next 2g, and from this g term, so here minus 12 is g there. So but third equation we are doing negative, so that it become plus 12g. Next here 2f, and here f term is not there, so that no need to take here, and plus c, and this become minus c. C minus c equals 0. It comes towards minus 34, and it become plus 14g plus 2f plus c minus c gets cancelled, that equals to 0. So finally it is equation number 5. And next I am going to do 2 minus 4. Equation 2 minus 4. When you do equation minus 4, 2 minus 8, next 2g, and minus of minus 4g, that become plus 4g, 2f, and this is a plus 4f, that means it become minus 4f. And next c and minus c. 2 minus 8, 2 minus 8 is minus 6, 2g plus 4g, that become 6g, 2f minus 4f is a minus 2f equals 0, because c minus c is a 0. Next, when you solve these two equations, 5 and this is I am taking equation number 6, solve equation number 5 and 6. So what do you get? Here 5, equation number 5 is a minus 34 plus 14g plus 2f equals to 0, and this is minus 6 plus 6g minus 2f equals to 0. Here plus 2f minus 2f gets cancelled, and it becomes 14 plus 6 is a 20, minus 34 minus 6, that become minus 40. So minus 40 when you send right side, plus 40, 20 once, 20 twice, g equals to 2 we got here. So when you substitute g equals to 2 in the equation number 5 or 6, we will get f value. I'm going to substitute here. G value I'm substituting in equation number 5. Minus 34 plus 14 into G is a 2, so that I am taking 14 twice 2 plus 2F equals to 0. 34, 14 2 is a 28 plus 2F equals 0. Minus 34 plus 28 is a minus 6 plus 2F equals 0. After that, minus 6 when you send right side, it becomes plus 6. 2F equals 6. 2 once, 2 twice. F equals to 3. So we got here G and F. That G and F substitute in equation number 2, 3, 4, wherever you can substitute. So better I am going to substitute in here because only G value is there. So we will get C value here. In third equation I am going to substitute G value, we will get C value. 36 minus 12 into 2 plus C equals 0. 36 minus 24 plus C equals 0. 36 minus 24 is a 12 plus C equals 0. Finally C equals to minus 12. Here C value also we got here. G, C, F, all values we got. These values when you substitute in the S, that is in the circle, we will get a circle equation. This value and this value. I am going to substitute these values in the equation. S, and this is x square plus y square plus 2. G equals, we got that 2 there. 2x plus 2. F is 3 plus C is this. C equals to minus 12 is this, so that minus 12 equals to 0. X square plus y square, 2 2s are 4, 4x, 2 3s are 6, minus 12 equals 0. Yes, finally we got a circle equation. After that, so we have to check D is on the circle or not. So if point minus 2 comma minus 8 in the, if you substitute in the equation, we have to get both LHS and RHS are equals, then all these points lie on the circle, otherwise it is not a cone cyclic. Okay, now I am going to substitute there. Minus 2 square plus minus 8 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 equals 0. This become 4, 64 minus 8 minus 48 minus 12 equals 0. Yes, this is a 68 total, and this is about 60 and 8 plus 68 and minus 68 both equals 0 equals 0. Therefore here A comma B comma C comma D are cone cyclic. Okay, model 2 question here. I am taking find the equation of the circle whose center lies on x-axis. That means a circle which is having its center is on the x-axis. On the x-axis means there is y coordinate is equal 0 and passing through the given 2 points here, and that circle is passing through minus 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 5. That means if you take a circle, so this is on, for example, this is x-axis and y-axis. I am taking history x-axis, y-axis, and this is about center. If circle center is on the x-axis, nothing but minus g comma 0. This is the center. Nothing but x coordinate is there here. Y coordinate is not there. So that circle equation is s equals to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus, here f term is not there, that's why it is a 0 only. So that here we can get plus c equals to 0. This is a circle equation which is on the x-axis. If it is on the y-axis, nothing but g term is equal 0. That case you can get 2fy you can get. Okay. Now this is I am taking equation number 1. This equation passing through the minus 2 comma 3. So let I am taking, this is a and this is b. A minus 2 comma 3 on s equal 0. So that minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus 2g of minus 2 plus c equals 0. It becomes 4 plus 9 minus 4g plus c equals 0. 4 plus 9 is 13 minus 4g plus c equals 0. This is equation number 2. And next second point is through this point also circle is passing. So that 4 comma 5 is also on s equals 0. 4 square plus 5 square plus 2g into 4 plus c equals 0. 16 plus 25 plus 8g plus c equals 0. 16 plus 25 is 41 plus 8g plus c equals to 0. This is equation number 3. And when you do 2 minus 3, equation 2 minus equation 3, I am taking here equation 2, 13 minus 41. Next here is minus 4g and here we are doing minus, so that minus 8g, minus 4g minus 8g plus c minus c equals to 0. So it comes here minus 28, it become minus 12g and it is equals to 0. 28 when you send right side, minus 12g equals to plus 28. 4 3s are 4 7s are we can get. Finally g value, when you substitute in the equation 2 or 3 you will get c value. After getting c and g, you have to substitute in the equation number 1, you will get the circle equation which is with center lie on the x-axis. So g value I am substituting in equation number 2. 3 minus 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus c equals to 0. 13 4 times 7 is 28 by 3 plus c equals to 0. 3 times 13 is 39. 39 plus 28 67 by 3 plus c equals 0. Finally c equals to minus 67 by 3. C and g values I am going to substitute in the equation. S equals to x square plus y square plus 2 of g equals to minus 7 by 3 plus, and c is a minus 67 by 3, that become it is minus okay. When you do LCM here, 3 is a LCM, so 3x square plus 3y square and 2 7s are 14, that is minus 14x minus 67 equals to 0. This is a required circle equation. Its center is lie on the x-axis.